Hi, my name is Iqbal. This video is a demonstration of ThreatStream built for the AI Partner Catalyst Hackathon Confluent Challenge. All attack scenarios shown are simulated for demonstration purposes only. Security Operations Centers process thousands of events per second. The challenge, most alerts are noise, and by the time analysts identify real threats, attackers have already moved. Organizations need real-time intelligence, not retrospective analysis. ThreatStream solved this by combining the power of Confluent Kafka for real-time data streaming with Google Cloud's Gemini AI for instant threat analysis. Events flow through Kafka topics, get analyzed by Vertex AI in under 136 milliseconds, and surface actionable intelligence to analysts in real time. Let me show you the whole application, and then we can see a live demo of the attack as well. So at the moment, if you can see over here, we can see the total signals we are getting, blocked IPs, average detection time, active alarms, security ingest is actually at the moment live. I can pause it and I can go back to live. And this is all coming from webhooks. I can isolate and see what's happening behind the scene. This is AI reasoning engine, which is working behind the scene with AI, Vertex AI. Global attack surface. This is a globe, which we can zoom in and I can show you later on more further. Ingest origins from where the IP addresses are actually getting origined. And also risk propagation timeline. At the moment is almost like 0. So we are on the healthy flow right now. So let's go and see how the simulated attacks look like. So let me show you the brute force attack. Watch as event streams in from multiple global sources. Simultaneously, Gemini 2.0 Flash analyzes each thread, identifies Metri attacks techniques, in this case T110 brute force, and recommended specific mitigation actions all in real time. So we can see over here AI reasoning engine, how everything it's actually saying, giving first the contextual analysis, then contributing signals, and then automated mitigation paths. And if we go over here, we can see live stream of Kafka. Raw security logs are getting analyzed, getting logged and analyzed threats. Gemini is actually processing every single log and seeing where, how the logs are. Is it there is attack or not? And if we can see over here, these same security logs are getting in the topics, in messages. If we go, we can see the live movements of these because I have set up everything in live. So you can see all the logs are coming from brute force because at the moment the brute force is moving. So we can see all the logs are coming in over here, and all the logs are moving very, very fast. So I have multiple different topics. Over here, security raw logs, which is all the raw logs which are coming in, security critical alerts, security analyzed threats, risk index, security system metrics. Almost like 15,657 messages because I've been testing it a lot. So all of this brute force attacks logs are coming over here and live as we are moving. So if we go down, we can see global surface, from which place the log, all the attack is actually hitting. So we are over here in America, and all the attacks are coming in from different places around the world. And these are the IP addresses, and we can see suddenly the risk propagation timeline are now moving to 100% because this is an attack at the moment is surfacing. And let me show you, I have also included execute mitigation. Click with one click, it actually does everything, and then stops the attack. So at the moment, for demonstration purposes, it's doing its thing behind the scene, but every scenario would be different, and everything would be going to be different. It's going to be later. I'll be enhancing this feature even further, and once I stop the attack, once everything is execute and everything is mitigated and attack is stopped, then we go back to the normal stream and everything goes back to normal. So this is the dashboard looks like, and I'm using behind the scene Google Cloud, Google Logging API, Vertex API, Cloud Run, Cloud Builds. Everything it's done on Google, and so under the hood, ThreatStream leverages Confluent Cloud for enterprise-grade Kafka streaming, Google Cloud Vertex AI with Gemini 2.0 Flash for threat analysis, Cloud Run for serverless deployment, WebSockets for real-time dashboard updates. Let me show you an architecture which I have created. So the security events are happening, attacks getting simulated, and Confluent Cloud Kafka is actually getting all these threats getting logged in, and then from there those threats gets to the Cloud Run API, and Gemini actually does its calculation behind the scene, what kind of attack it is, and then in the dashboard everything gets shown with deployed on Cloud Run, and then it's a complete security analyst thing for the whole end user. So ThreatStream transform security operation from reactive to proactive, detecting, analyzing, and responding to threats at a speed of data. Thank you for watching.